Hello everybody. Today we're not wasting any time. Today we are playing Cuphead again. You know, because I've actually started quite liking this game, so we're getting right into it. And last time we went to this coin guy. Let's see what he has to say. I've been finding monkeys younger I find, putting my little in the bank. For I know the devil probably controls the place too. They never get out all my gold if they spread it around. Blah blah. That's what I say. Okay. Wait, he's a coin. I'm not gonna question that. Although I just saw a fish over here fishing. This one's weird. This one's very weird. Anyways, let's see. We're going on a Andrew's giant club. Down. Ow! We count. Oh yeah, my boomerang from last video. Oh, that did a lot of damage. You can see how much damage that did. Ooh. That's a good amount of damage, man. Ooh, that does a lot of damage. Emotional damage. Ah. Oh, he already has it. Okay. What? Is that? I got some Red Bull. Okay. Oh, I didn't die. Yippee. Oh, is that good? It feels like the sound fight where you have to jump in between the bones. But in this instance, I have to... Oh. Wait. Whee! I won. Yippee! What did I get? I got an A minus. Again. From the last video, I also got an A minus on the running gun thing. Ooh. New break. Let's go. Oh, it leads over here. Okay. Oh. I don't know what's happened to you guys. A glitch has happened. But anyways, what do you say? Begun, spirits. Oh wait, you're real. I was about to hit you with an old pirate move. That's how you do with ghosts around here. Oh. You're sleeping the fish. Okay, even though you are a fish. Whatever. Why is my GameCube glitching? Something's wrong. Wait, she said parry, right? This seems easy enough. They never see me when I teleport. Okay. Uh-oh. Yeah. A little freaking midget ghost. Midget ghost is on the case. Oh, so close. Whoa, where'd that go? Whoa. Whoa, it's a ghost lady. Gosh, that's hurting me. Magic trapped some those ghosts. Speaking of magic, please accept my gift. It should help. Oh. Thanks, dear. Oh, geez, I didn't know the damage. Oh dear, you must not forget the magical arts. Use it in the menu. Super. Oh, I got a super beam. Whoa. Clockman. I was into the wrong thing. Anyways, geez, my game keeps lagging a lot. Oh, what's this? Rules of Alice. Sure. Sounds like a SpongeBob episode where that an hour is separate. Don't know if you know what I'm talking about. Ah! Done with you. Spirit. Whoa. Slimy. Dude. I can just disappear out the way. Ow, my face. You just punched me in the face. Ow. That was not very nice of you, goopy man. Ha. Take that. Oh. Oh. I beat the level. Wait, what? Ow! Oh, what the hell? Okay, the level's not over. He's a gravestone. Ah! Well, I'm pretty sure it should be over. He's dead. Oh, what's happening? Yeah. Oh, it's connection. What's happening? Oh, wait. Okay, never mind. It's fixed. Oh god, it's scary. Oh, oh. The dude's so bad he lagged my game and almost broke it. Ugh. Ooh, 2 stars. What did I get? I got an A minus. That's good enough for me, man. So, I guess we try to find the next boss. Let's go. Oh gosh, we have to fight a bullet man. Oh no, he's an NPC. What's that? You two wanna fly a plane? Like I do? Ha! You're not sitting in a co-pilot cockpit until you know the blueprint. Okay. Seems easy enough to drive a plane. Yeah. Hold for rapid fire. Oh. Yeah. I'm going to get really power. Oh, that's cool. Aww. Okay. I'm pretty sure that's all I need to know. Sweet. And off I go into the boss. Now go. Don't know who this is. Ah! Don't laugh at me, that isn't very nice. Ah! Ah! Okay. Ah. Ow! You sucker, you shot me. Oh, I am shooting you a lot. Like, a lot. So guess what it's for. Ah! Let's go. Who are you two? Ah! Ah! Okay, now sycamore tornadoes. This doesn't seem very fair. Huh? What are you crying about, man? Ah! A star was coming towards me. Eat red. Ah! It's always so hard to tell what's going on, man. You look weird when you do that. Ow! I hit the bottom. But I'm fine. 10 minutes. We beat her. Let's go. That was pretty scary, if I may say so. A minus. What's it with me and getting A minuses, man? What is it? I got a gold flag. Sweet. Can't remember if I got a gold flag before, but still. Well, anyways, everyone, this is where we're gonna end it this episode. I hope you really enjoyed, even though my audio and everything else is trash. But I hope you really enjoyed it anyway. Well, anyways, goodbye, everyone.